Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Phoenix Rising on guitar full guide. Start by tuning to drop D and checking string tension, then isolate the main riff and practice it at 60 BPM. Use palm muting to control sustain and play in short loops, gradually increasing speed only when clean and consistent. Focus on timing, feel, and small sections until they become second nature. Break the song into chord blocks and learn the progression by ear and tab, focusing on smooth transitions between shapes. Practice the specific strum pattern slowly, emphasizing the downstroke on strong beats and a lighter upstroke on off beats. Use partial bar shapes where full bar hurts clarity, and mute unused strings with the palm or index finger. Work in 8-bar loops and add the lead figure only after the rhythm is solid. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more lessons. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for playing backing tracks, and metronome clicks loud and clear around your practice space, and it fits neatly on a desk or amp. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Isolate the lead sections and learn the exact bends, slides, and vibrato that give the melody its character, paying attention to pitch and timing. Practice scales that fit the song, such as minor pentatonic and modal fragments, and combine them into musical phrases. Work on phrasing by playing call and response with a backing loop, then gradually increase tempo while keeping each note expressive and intentional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.